today I'm back with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be doing the life of a squishy scammer. Just know that this is not real at all. Right now I'm trying to make my camera stand up. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the skit, obviously, and I'm going to pretend, so yeah. Let's see if I have any DMs. One, she wants one popcorn squishy, one Capri Sun squishy, one watermelon squishy, one Pella squishy, and one sour cream and onion squishy. So I'll be right back and I'm gonna go get them. I got them. So she actually, there's my big pile of squishies. She wanted all of them from my shop, but my sour cream and onion chips and my popcorn aren't from my shop. I got them from a different shop. So I'm gonna go get the box. Okay, I got the box. I put her address on it. Well, I cannot show it for reasons. So the first thing she wanted was watermelon squishies. So I have this one for my shop. She thinks that they're not homemade, but they're all homemade. This one is it. It's not slow rising at all. And she specifically said slow rising, so. And the next one she wanted was Pella squishy. So I also have this Pella squishy. This one's a little bit better, but whatever. And now she wanted the Capri Sun squishy. This one was also from my shop. And yes, I did make all the packaging myself. She's really lucky she's getting this one because this is my last one. And it even has the straw. Well, real straw to a Capri Sun. I drank from it. And it fell. Hold on, guys. I'm having some really big technical difficulties. There. I fixed it. I gotta put the tape on it. And this one I got from a different scammer, and that's how I became a scammer. It's like really cool because it's played with it a lot. So yeah. And there's also this tiny one. Uh-oh. Kind of broke it. Okay, yeah. This is the popcorn squishy. So now I'm gonna close this, and I'm going to, I gotta block off the address. So give me a second, guys, while I try to fix the address. So got this marker. It's not working. I might get demonetized. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this there, covering the address. The mailman knows that I'm a scammer, so he'll list the address because the mailman's my father. So yeah. And I'm gonna put another piece of tape just to secure it so nothing falls out, I guess, or whatever. And I'm gonna write on the top to Bella. And I'm gonna put my name. So I named the shop after her. It's gonna be called Bella's Squishy Shop because that's my real shop. And yeah. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put the note. I really want to. Whatever. Well, I'm gonna put this out of the way now so I can write the note, and you guys are gonna watch me write the note. Just a clean page because I've had lots of notes that I forgot to put in there. So this is my markers. She's gonna get a really ugly color, which is gonna be green. She ordered one Capri Sun, and I just started selling the Capri Sun squishies like yesterday. So yeah. One watermelon. One pillow. What else did you want? Popcorn. And I'm gonna Capri Sun was $30. The chips was $70 because that's really big chips. The watermelon is $20. The pillow is $20. And the popcorn is also $30. So I gotta ring this up. Her total was originally $170, but I'm gonna make it more. I'm gonna make it $270. So yeah, well I gotta write total, so she's not that dumb. So let me put this down here. Okay. Whatever. I could have made it eat, but did I like her? No. Have I better in my life? No. So now I'm going to seal the package. So I'm going to see you guys when she gets it. Oh my god, guys, I just got my squishy package. I gotta be quiet. My mom doesn't know I ordered it. But I got it, and her shop name is named after me. So, okay, so I'm gonna just keep the thing on because it's covering my address, and that's good. So I'm gonna just open it. So the first one is this. Oh, I thought that was a squishy first one. So this is what I ordered. $270. Let me add this up. It's supposed to be $170, but I'll have to pay her. Maybe she gave me like extras or something because like this is a lot of money. Like look at it. So I'm gonna just check. So the first thing I got, it says extra on the top, so I know this is an extra. Oh, I almost fell down my flower. So I just put this, and the first thing I see is this. It's sour cream and onion chips, the one that I ordered. It's not even squishy. But okay. Next one is this one. My Capri Sun squishy. It says Capri Sun, and it's from her shop. This one wasn't from her shop. This one didn't have a straw and everything. Okay. This pillow squishy. This was $20. This one's a more modern one. I saw this like a while ago. It's from 2000. She's been having this since she had that account since 2015. So this was her first squishy she said. And I get the last one. So next one, this one, popcorn squishy. It's all wrinkled. It's not even squishy. Guys, I'm getting skin on. And my watermelon squishy. This one was the one I saw in the cat. So this is not the one that I'm getting skin. No, it's not even. I ordered the jumbo one. And this one is like not even good. A lot of them have a lot of defects. Some of it's so rising. It has to be so rising. This was her last squishy that she made, like the newest one. I'm like, I'm getting scammed, and I spent $270. And the paper doesn't say no refunds. Let me just look over this again, guys, and I'll see you guys in a second. Well, not a second. Let me read it. It's like I even paid everything. It's not funny. I'm just gonna read it more. So like, I'm really sad now that I didn't get it. And it says no refunds. Even though I said it didn't say no refund, I just saw it now. So I'm going to mail this right back to her because I don't deserve this. And like, I deserve my squishy, but not fake ones. I guess that was all. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!